Here's a quick review of the point and figure chart analysis of Crowdstrike. I've got the high and low point and figure chart here, looking at a $3 box size and 3 reversal size. So that means $9 reversal to the upside or downside will change a point and figure chart. Now if we just go recap a little bit back here to the beginning of the year when we had a fantastic point and figure chart reversal, it then activated a few of the upside targets, and then the rally started, tested the trend line there a little bit, and then the moving averages caught up, and then the moving averages became quite a critical support zone for the rally to the upside. Each time we broke past the resistance levels there, activated buy signals. So the point and figure chart buy signals are these reversals to the upside, as well as the triple top buy there signal there, and then once again this whole cluster here. So we have plenty of point and figure chart reversals to the upside. But 138 was target was met, then 144. We then got a 174 target when we broke past this resistance zone there at 138. That activated the 174 target. In this period of consolidation, when the index broke past that double top there, it activated the 243 upside target. Had another period of consolidation. There were a few minor targets. They all activated when we broke past the level there. This particular buy signal there activated the 177. And then we got there that double top breakout there, activate the 255. That breakout there activated the 243. And then we kind of went on. We can see the trend lines now being put in place. Each time we have a reversal to the upside, that puts in a new low and a new trend line for support there. With point and figure charts, we just draw 45-degree angle trend lines, and the beauty of point and figure charts are we only focus on price. There's absolutely no time frame on the chart whatsoever, so it's just pure price action we look at. Back here when we had that reversal buy there at 243, and then the activated target there at 270, 261.70 activated the 288, and then the 381 target. And then the rally kept on going, and then we got to these 300 targets there. They were pretty old there back then in April 2020. Then met that target, bit of a consolidation there, and then broke past this $300 resistance target up here. Now that's the new support trend line in this current trend. We've met a couple of targets now. It's a little bit extended from moving averages. It's very close to the 324 upside target. 336, about 5.7% away from that one. And then we've got two much higher targets here of 372 and 381, another 17 and 19% rally in Crowdstrike to the upside. But we do expect some form of a consolidation in around here. 300 is now the new support. Can still see that being tested in view of the seasonal weakness that we normally see in February down to March. We could see that 300 being retested, and that can be another secondary entry point for another swing trade. But so far so good. It's been a tremendous rally, and Crowdstrike hit all the upside targets from a point and figure chart perspective. But what we're looking for now is any kind of consolidation or a significant reversal to the downside, which will signal the end of the current trend. You can see there we get these little sell signals and buy signals on a shorter term time frame there on a point and figure chart base. But so far so good. Very strong rally in Crowdstrike. Broke past this old $300 resistance. That's now a new support zone, and you could see any kind of consolidation weakness in the market push back to test there, and then continue the rally higher with these trend lines in place. 324, 336 is next two upside targets, but be aware I do expect a much larger consolidation sideways moving period, similar to something like this over here, before we're going to hit the 372 and 381 upside point and figure chart targets. But look out for a critical point and figure chart reversal to the downside. That will signal the end of the current trend. If we take the point and figure chart analysis one further and look at a log scale type point and figure chart where every move is 1%, and the box size reversal is 3%. We can see we had many upside targets: 182, 183, 185, 201, 211, 245, 260, all to the upside, activated as we reached the buy signals to the upside from a point and figure chart perspective. Now right now the next target here is 311 that was taken out, and then if we just move that one out there, I just removed a target out there for 330 is the next one there. So we're 4% away from the next upside target. We've now broken past this cluster of resistance there that should act as a new support zone, and also the trend line, the point and figure trend line, are the secondary entry points in the current trend. But we took out 311, 330 in the next one, and then 340, and then 380 is the upside, the much longer term upside target in Crowdstrike. But so far so good. Very strong rally in Crowdstrike. Now looking for some form of a consolidation. We're quite extended from key moving averages up here, so do need to see some form of a consolidation in and around between 300 and 310 and 320 and 330, that consolidation zone. But overall, very good performance, trading these upside targets as they generate buy signals, trend line reversal buys, a double top and one breakout buys there. These are all kind of secondary point and figure chart trading strategies. Just in terms of downside risk targets, we can just put there is a 19% 255 downside risk target. Now for that target to be activated, the price action needs to drop below the 284, so that will activate that target. There's a 13% 275 downside target. Once again, for the price to get there, we need to make a reversal to the downside and then pass that, break past that 290 support zone, 293 support zone to activate that target. So a lot really has to happen before we get to those downside targets, but you can see they're a little bit below the trend line there. So it would appear that this secondary trend line here coincides well with the $300 there, so keep an eye on that. For these are the downside risk targets if and when we get a point and figure chart reversal to the downside. I hope this was useful. Until next time, happy point and figure chart trading.